Episode 10, Overeating versus Enthusiasm. In this episode, we will explore Step 1 of 6 Steps to Transcendence. Step 1, Breaking the Gravity of Greed. The theme is Ati Ahara, over-accumulation versus Utsaha, enthusiasm. Take a deep breath. Look at your life. Srila Rupa Goswami warns us of Atihara, the habit of overeating and hoarding material things. This is the bottom of the intensity map. It looks like success, but it is heavy, dark blue gravity that suffocates the soul and freezes inner peace. In our today's modern lifestyle, some of the keywords that Srila Rupa Goswami Atihara means: twin staircase. How do we break this freeze? We take the first step up the staircase with Utsaha, spiritual enthusiasm. This is the vibrant saffron spark. It is the conscious decision to stop consuming things that rot and instead pour your energy into things that awaken you. Enthusiasm means waking up with a purpose, knowing that your life is meant for something much higher than a collection of material goods. The daily shift. Today, spot one area where you are hoarding, whether it is food, digital clutter, or worry. Drop it. Replace it with one enthusiastic act of service. Shift your map from cold blue gravity to saffron fire. See you at the next step. By Shraddhavan Das, sharing heart's love for the divine intimacy.